Quizzy day! Guess the celebrity by their eyes. You've got 40 celebrities with 10 seconds to answer. Are you ready, quizzers? Let's get started. I'm sure you know this first one. Are you a fan of her songs? It's Rihanna. Can you guess this one? It's the one and only Selena Gomez. Do you know who this is? Justin Timberlake. Can you guess these eyes? It's Taylor Swift. Guess this celebrity. Timothy Chalamet. I'm guessing you know this one. Emma Watson. Can you guess who this is? That's right, Cardi B. Do you know this one? I'm sure you've watched some of his movies. It's Dwayne Johnson. Don't tell me you don't know this one. Ariana Grande. Do you know whose eyes are this? Jennifer Lopez. Are you able to guess this? Jennifer Lawrence. Do you know this one? That's right, Tom Cruise. Can you guess this one? Steve Jobs. I'm sure you know this. You're correct, Justin Bieber. I'm guessing we all know this one. Robert Downey Jr. Can you answer this one? That's right, Miley Cyrus. Can you get this one right? Ed Sheeran. Do you know this? Jude Law. Any Game of Thrones fans out there? That's right, it's Kit Harington. Can you get this right? Kendrick Lamar. I'm sure you can get Lady Gaga. Can you answer this? Leonardo DiCaprio. What about this? It's the gorgeous Anne Hathaway. Can you answer this correctly? You're correct! Harry Styles. I'm sure you've seen this one before. It's Will Smith. What about this one? Britney Spears. Can you guess this? I'm sure you listen to her songs. Dua Lipa. Are you able to get this right? Cara Delevingne. What about this? Jason Momoa. I'm sure you know this guy. Robert Pattinson. Down to the last 10. Kate Winslet. What about this? Jessica Chastain. Can you guess whose eyes are this? It's Jared Leto. Can you guess these eyes? Michael Kiwanuka. I'm guessing you know this one. Billie Eilish. What about this? Scarlett Johansson. Don't tell me you don't know this one. It's Zoe Kravitz. Can you guess this? It's Elizabeth Olsen. Have you seen these eyes before? It's George Clooney. I'm sure you can easily guess the last one. It's Beyonce. How many correct answers did you get? Tell us in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, quizzers. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more fun quizzes.